Having been approved for over 85 credit cards, I've regularly been asked, what's the best credit card? If I could start all over again and have a more simplistic approach to my credit methodology, here's some considerations I'd have. And key, a credit card points and miles enthusiast and travel lover. On my channel, I discuss the mistakes I've made, my future travel goals, and overall credit journey since 2016. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Use the timestamps down below if you want to jump directly to my recommendations. But here's my first consideration. What does my day-to-day spending look like? And even on a broader scale, what does my annual budget look like? I've mentioned before, I like to run my personal finances as if I'm a Fortune 500 company. So knowing my annual operating plan or budget is paramount to deciding which credit card is the best for me, or in this case, best for you. As you're building out your AOP or your budget for the year, I'd also consider making a column or mental note on which of those expenses can actually be paid with a credit card for no fee or a very little fee, which may make sense. You'll have to run the math. Consideration number 2 is, how often do I travel internationally? There are many different credit card networks such as Visa, MasterCard, Diners Club, Discover, JCB, and American Express, to name a few. Depending on your answer on international travel being yes or no, you could eliminate some of these card networks right off the bat, as they are not all created equal, and some may or may not be advantageous to you if you do in fact travel internationally. Moving on to number 3, benefits, rewards, and brand loyalty. And I'm going to call it 3.5, but maybe it's actually consideration number 4, lifestyle. This year, I well exceeded my personal goal of traveling at least one trip per month. Oftentimes, it was way more than that, and it was for both business, my 9 to 5, and personal travel. As the year is coming to a close, I've already completed 80 flights in 2024, and as you could probably guess, I've grown accustomed to things such as global entry, pre-TSA, clear, and just other experiences while I'm at the airport. Using the comments below this video, let me know what are some of your considerations when you go to pick a credit card that's right for you. Perhaps I'll make a part 2 of this video utilizing some of the things that you mentioned. By utilizing the 4 considerations that I've outlined in this video, I've determined if I wanted a 1 or maybe even a 2 card setup for the future. Here are some of the options I'd select from. In no particular order, I'd select from the Capital One Venture X credit card, the Wells Fargo Autograph card, Citi's Strata Premier credit card, or the Chase Ink Unlimited, which is a business card. Check the description box down below for referrals to any of the cards I mentioned in this video, or maybe some of the others, my contact info, and my updated travel scorecard. Check out this video on finding the best airline credit card for you, or check out the second video, which I go into detail with my good friend Josh Giebel on which cards in my personal collection I should keep started versus cancel. Starting my day here in Providence, Rhode Island, where I have clear, so let's see how long it takes me to get through the line this morning. To set a timer to see how long it took me to get through pre-TSA, but